Hey, I'm Marcel, the founder and co-owner of Bushel Plus. So how does it work? You're able to attach the Bushel Plus system to the side of the Emar Chaff Deck with a special bracket that gets delivered in the set. So then the carrier system of the Bushel Plus is sitting right in front of the stream of the Emar Chaff Deck, and now you start to harvest, you start traveling, you're setting it all up the way you want it, and now when you want to check your losses and your wheat seed sample, you calibrate your loss monitor just before you drop the pan. You push the button of the remote, pan will drop onto the ground, and the pan falls just in front of the Emar Chaff Deck. It catches the stream of what's coming off the sieves, and as the combine now keeps traveling, obviously it also will catch a certain sample of what's coming out the back of the chopper, because it's still getting spread while the tray is laying on the ground. So as the combine keeps running over it, you're collecting a sample from the sieves and then also partially of the rotor. So now you collected sample from the sieves and from the rotor because we checked it 2 in 1. Step number 2, you'll take a measurement from the rotors only. So you can attach now the carrier underneath the axle, underneath the feeder house, or on the side of the header, and then catch a sample from what the rotors or the chopper is throwing beside the chaff deck. So now you're catching a sample from anything away from the chaff deck streams.